As soon as you see answer choices that are just a word or two, clearly testing vocabulary, you can go straight over to engaging the prompt here on the left. You probably don't even need to highlight any task word because the task should be pretty apparent. You're going to want to select the highlights and notes tool though, because we're going to use that very, very liberally as we work through these problems. So reading from the top of number one's prompt, since the Hubble Space Telescope was launched into space in 1990, astronauts have needed to complete regular missions to repair the telescope and keep it working smoothly. Researchers hope that robots will soon be able to make these repairs. Employing robots instead of humans to make repairs will be helpful, as blank astronauts to maintain the telescope can be expensive. I'm going to just highlight this word maintain because we know that we're basically saying as maintaining astronauts to maintain the telescope is expensive. You want to just highlight in yellow if it matches a word from the passage and just say we've got to match that as a prediction rather than just plugging and playing the answer choices. So we're now going to contrast our answer choices against that predicted word of maintaining the astronauts, just a slight change in part of speech. But starting with choice A, straightening does not match maintaining, and straightening astronauts would be very interesting. Every now and again, the exam can make you chuckle if you think about it literally. Then forgetting about is really going to be a content reversal, kind of a tone reversal. We'll get rid of that. Relying on absolutely matches the contextual prediction of maintaining, and then reducing is going to be a contextual reversal. On the exam, you'd want to read your choice back into the sentences to confirm an overall narrative, but in the interest of time, we will hit next at this point.